Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are on week 6 of our NA 300 horsepower Ecotec Burnout car build, and today's video is all about engine assembly. Alright, so a bit of an introduction here. We're going to run 60 thou oversized pistons. These are Hypertech pistons. Got our rings gap there. Got the rods. The rods are quite a bit lighter than our factory rods. And we're just going through and doing some cleaning and assembling. Alright, just going to skim the heads, give us a little bit of a better surface to mate with the MLS. A lot of you would remember the old mishap on the other motor where the plenum bolt ended up going down the chamber and killing the motor. So this time we've got only the finest Bunnings bolts and spring washers. And we'll use Loctite. So she ain't coming undone this time, and we'll do more regular maintenance on it. We'll check on them every service. It's not that hard to do. so the engine is ready to drop in. It's not quite 100% ready. We still haven't got push rods. We've got to actually figure that out still, so we've got to buy some. But we're just going to sit it in so we can do an exhaust and a few other things. And we've sealed it all up so that we don't drop anything down it, or no dirt and whatnot. But yeah, we didn't get a full time lapse of everything going on because there was a lot going on, but we did get a lot of it. So we're going to jump over to a time lapse. So we're going to clean the engine bay and start dropping this bad boy in. Alright, so we're just in the backyard grabbing some little bolts and stuff that were missing out of one of our blown up Ecotecs. And now we are going on to install our high stall. So ASNU Converters, a local converter shop here in Salisbury. They have been very kind and they have generously provided us with a free custom-made 3500 stall. So we'll jump over to that now and show you how that goes. Alright, so before we put the motor in, we're going to put in our 3500 high stall. This high stall was custom made for us by ASNU, a local converter shop in Salisbury. They've provided this for free as well. So we're going to chuck that in and hopefully it goes all well. Alright, now it's time to do up the exhaust. This is apparently a wagon exhaust that we're going to make fit sedan, but I don't know if it is wagon, it looks a bit suspicious, but that's what we've been told. Alright, that brings us to the end of week 6 of our 300 horsepower NA Ecotec build. We have the motor in, which we done today. We have our ASNU torque converter in. We have our gearbox in. We're just mocking up an exhaust right now, which is the welding going on over there. So we're not finished fully, but we are going to be signing off for the night. And hopefully next week we get it started because Power Cruise is the week after. So we haven't got a lot of time, but we haven't really got a lot left either. But remember guys, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help.